Okay, hi. So it's currently our last day. Last day. Mamaya flight na namin pa airport. So, yeah. Naka-outfit na kami. So time check is 8:49. So ang plan is pumunta ng Myeongdong at magkape. At maggala. And then babalik kami dito ng before 11. Kasi mag-check out na. And then iwanan na lang namin sa lobby yung camera. So yan, outfit ko. Ayan yung kay Pio. Pio ay nakapants. Hindi siya tiis ganda ngayon. Hindi, tiis ganda din kasi manapis din naman. Crop top and crop pants. Ako, tiis ganda ako kasi naka-short ako. For the first time. Ay, hindi pala first time. Pero si Hana, naka-pants na siya. Ito na kami sa Myeongdong. So, I'm currently in line for Blue Bottle Coffee. So, laging haba ng pila. Nung first day namin, dapat mag-blue bottle din ako. Kaso, ang haba ng pila. So, I decided na last day na lang since wala naman kaming itinerary or hinahabol na time today. So, sana mag-open na siya. Kasi I think hindi pa siya open. Nakapila pa lang yung mga tao. But I really wanna try it. So, sila Hana kasabay ko din. Pero pumunta sila ng Korean Mart. I think nandito sila. So, pinabili ko na sila. Kasi wala naman akong bibilin na anything na food from Korean Mart. So, yun. Dito muna ako. For a bit. So wala palang pinila. Okay, so I'm gonna get my coffee. Wait. So I ordered the best seller, yung Nola Float. And then si Pio, ang in-order niya is hot chocolate. Hot chocolate, yeah. Pero okay lang yun, parang tikiman na lang tayo.
Pwede na namin namin yung isang Kmart. Or mga
Pwede. Ikaw, Nola Float din? Na hot?
pero hot.
Okay, so mag-taste test tayo ng blue bottle. Matamis na mapait. Hindi ko sa Okay, so after acquiring our coffee na may lipstick ko na, ang next target ko is the Isaac Toast. Yan, nakita ko lang din yan sa TikTok na one of the famous toasts here in Myeongdong. So, para may partner yung coffee. So, yan. May pila. So, feeling ko naman tama na yung pila ko this time. Hindi na to Nike or what. Hindi naman siguro to sa sa bag na to. But yeah, pero nandun si Pio, chinek niya if tama yung pila. Sa tabi ng Isaac Toast, merong rainbow na boutique. And then I want this. Nakita ko to kay ang tawag ito? Pangalan, Patricia? Pat. One of the vlogger besties. Nakita ko sa kanya. I want it. 15,000. One. Ito din gusto ko. This one. Oh my god, that's so nice. I want it. Mukhang mabubudol pa ako talaga. So nakabili ako ng shirt for daddy kasi gusto niya daw ng shirt from Korea. So nakabili ako dito. Ngayon kami actually. Binili ko yung nandito kanina. So I'm happy. Okay, we're finally here in Isaac. So malapit na kami. So yan yung sunod na ako. So nakuha na ni Hana yung kanya, 126. Same kami ng in-order, double, deep cheese, bacon. Mine is also like that. Pero yung kay Pio is, kay Pio is with potato. Okay. Thank you. Check out time. Ayan, the sun showed up for us today. Okay. Thai Hotel, 305. Ay, 306 ba? Yeah, bye. Bye. We'll miss you. Bye. Dadaan muna kami ng Myeongdong Cathedral because today is our last day. And we should thank the Lord for this trip, for giving us His guidance and the ability to travel. Hi, Hannah. Okay, so ito yung mga nabili ko. So I have my mascara, bumili ulit ako ng lipstick, and then mga COSRX na cleanser, retinol, ganun. Ito kay ate, ang laki-laki, ang bigat-bigat. So good luck talaga sa pag-aayos ko ng maleta mamaya. It really does. Okay, so ang bigat, good luck talaga. Good luck. Ngayon pupunta na ako sa Metcha. Doon kami magkikita-kita, doon kami mag-chill for the rest of the day. Okay, so dito kami tatambay sa Metcha. Isang building siya, laki-laki. So, as a matcha lover, of course, this is a must try. Okay, nandito na sila Pio. So, papasok. Okay, so papasok na ni. Ayan yung mga ano nila. I think magwa-matcha cream strawberry ako para maiba. But yeah, I'm excited. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm excited. Sorry, nagsuswatch kasi ako ng lipstick kanina. So, kaya ganyan. But yeah, I'm excited for this. So, ito yung in-order ko. Hinalo ko na siya, strawberry and stuff.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true.
Okay, so ayan, on the way to the airport na kami. Ayan yung mga maleta. Thankfully, hindi naman sumobra. Ayan sila, Hana. Ang hirap. Lalakad lang kami ng 7 minutes. Pabus. And then, diretso na yun sa airport. Gosh. Bakit lumasayad? Huwag kang sumayad. Kaya mo yan. Uwi pa tayo. Okay, sige, see you in the airport. Kapagod. Ito na, malapit na. Ugh. Woo! Ay! Grabe! But yeah, this is the airport. And then may waiting area naman sila. And yeah, after namin mag-check-in, probably kakain kami ng dinner. And mag-i-start kasi 1 p.m. pa yung ano na, ay 1 a.m. pa yung flight namin. So matagal-tagal pa kami maghintay dito sa airport. And yeah, sobrang thankful, sobrang happy talaga ako with this trip. Parang I've been planning to go to Korea since 2020. So I'm really happy that it finally happened for me. And yeah, I mean, and na-realize ko na dapat talaga you travel while you're young kasi nakakapagod mag-travel sa totoo lang. Like, oh my God. I don't know if I'll still have the same energy. I mean, the energy that I have now when I'm older. Hopefully, I still do. Because I hope, I hope to still be active even when I'm older. So, yeah. But yeah, so tiring. But sobrang full. My heart is very full. And yeah, I mean, I'm ready to go home, kind of. But, since, yun nga, dami ng gastos. And wala ng budget. But, yeah. So happy. I'm finally going home. But I'm so sad that we're leaving. I will end the vlog here. So, thank you for watching, kung sino man nanonood. Actually, I don't intend this vlog for people to watch. Gusto ko lang talaga na mapanood to nung future self ko. Gusto kong i-document yung trip na to kasi this is really one for the books and a memories that I will treasure for a lifetime. So, yeah. I'm so happy. Naiyak ako. Charot lang. I'm so happy. I'm just really, really happy that this happened. This trip happened. Yun. So, I'm gonna end this vlog already. Kasi sobrang haba niya na probably. Montage na lang ang ilalagay ko from this moment up to the time that I landed in Manila. So yun, so happy. And yeah, until the next trip indeed. Oh, excited na ako. Hindi pa nakaka-uwi, excited na ulit mag-travel. Pero yun, mag-iipon ulit ako ng pang-travel para ma-enjoy ko yung buhay ko, charot. Enjoy my life while I'm young. So, yan.